Good morning, everybody. It is Saturday, my favorite day of the week. Woo! Had a stressful work week. But this weekend, it's all about just trying to do some fun things, relaxing things, enjoying myself. And so we have quite a bit planned for you for this weekend vlog. Right now, it is early. Just had some pumpkin spice coffee. I'm laying here on my couch. I got my bottle of water, the remote, my cup of coffee that I just had, and Paisley! Puppy kisses! So today the plan is to head over to the New York State Renaissance Festival, or Renaissance Fair, whatever they call it. We're excited to go. We love to go. We didn't go last year, obviously, but I think we did the year before. So we'll be bringing you along. And the weather today is gorgeous, very fall-like. So it's going to be a great day. So I want you guys to come along with us. Tomorrow, we have a huge outing at the park with some friends, and we're going to be doing a big kickball game. So that's going to be fun. I have to make a tray of baked ziti to bring. Not something that I'm going to eat, but I am going to make one for everybody. Everyone's bringing food. Got my wedding rings in the jewelry cleaner because I hadn't cleaned them all week, and I love to keep them nice and shiny and sparkly. So yeah, so all right, I am going to go head into the shower. I had my hair done the other night. I had the roots fixed, got some of the orange out. We went a little brighter and icy, and I absolutely love it. So when I get dressed, you'll be able to see it a little bit better. But yeah, I did wake up with a headache though. I don't know why. No rhyme or reason other than just some major stress. This week was stressful, and yesterday, Friday, was the worst. Was the absolute worst day at work that I have had in a long time. Anyway. All right, guys. So let me go get ready. Gonna wear some fall attire today and head over to the Renaissance Fair. See you over there.
Wake me up, I'm getting tired of sleeping. Think I've had enough. I've been gone, but haven't done much healing. It's pretty clear to me. Kinda strange how I can take a beating from my better self. It's like no one else even really scratches the surface. Cause nobody gets me. I'm looking for faith, looking for love in every direction. I'm looking for someone to show me the way where my map is.
Yay, we made it. Here we are. We're stuck in traffic for over an hour, but we're finally here. Right, Jess?
Yes, we made it, and we didn't have to pull an electric scooter out of our trunk and head up the highway like other people.
Yes, they were doing that. All right, so we are here at the New York State Renaissance Fair. We got Brit in tow, and we're heading in. We'll show you what's going on. This is so exciting.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. You fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream
Brody's Tavern and ordered some dinner. Got a Diet Coke with lemon. Jess got a Long Island, and Britt got a sunrise, right? Sunset. Sunset. What'd you get for dinner? I guess you'll see, right? You're gonna tell us?
No, we're gonna have to see what I get.
We will be right back. In 2 seconds, our food's gonna be here. 1, 2. Here's dinner, guys. Grilled chicken Caesar salad. Jess got teriyaki salmon, potato, and veggies, and Britt got shrimp. What, Britt? Frenchies. Shrimp Frenchies. Still staying on track. See, this is how you do it. Grilled chicken Caesar, dressing on the side. Probably won't even use it, but it's there if we need it. All right, guys, gonna go enjoy. See you later.
Wait, no, stay. It was so misleading.
Okay, so coming home, we are hungry after a day like that. So I decided to make some zucchini noodles, and I stirred them up in this skillet with a little bit of cooking spray, just until they're not overly done, but semi-soft. And then I press the water out of it so that I can get the amount that I'm looking for. And then all I did was add a tablespoon of mayo as my healthy fat. It makes kind of like a cream sauce on the hot noodles. And then I made the red Argentinian shrimp. And as you can see here, they are just the nice large size. Even after they're cooked, they're just nice and substantial. So this is what dinner looks like. And guys, what a fantastic weekend we had. Full of fun, full of activity, full of good, healthy food. So as always, we can do this. Yes, we can, as long as we do it together. Thanks for watching the vlog, and I'll see you in the next video.